Welcome to Indian Exhibition Services, India's leading exhibition organizing company for organizing world-class exhibitions and conferences in India. With over 12 years of experience in the industry, we specialize in creating dynamic business-to-business platforms that foster growth and innovation. We create bridge between buyers and sellers, especially for MSMEs. We provide business platform to national and international enterprises, manufacturers, wholesalers, dealers and distributors, exporters and importers, etc. Our major initiatives are Sport India Expo, EV India Expo, Biofuel Expo, Biodegradable Expo, World Environment Expo, Gas India Expo, Natural Gas Vehicle Expo, Pharma India Expo, Salt India Expo, World Tourism Summit and much more. At Indian Exhibition Services, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service, ensuring every event is a resounding success. We also organize impactful conferences and buyer-seller meets that provide valuable insights and networking opportunities across various industries. We are committed for business growth of our exhibitors by providing platforms that facilitate meaningful connections and opportunities. Indian Exhibition Services, empowering the industries.